Hello, my name is Stephen McCarthy. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in New York City. I'm making this video as a component of my website, askgmccarthy.com, and it's on a topic that is important to criminal justice. It's on criminal arraignments. I have other videos on the website which have other topics in criminal justice. If you're interested, please review the list of videos and take a look. Criminal arraignments are the first and most important part of any criminal case, in my opinion. An arraignment in New York City happens 24 hours after someone's been arrested. The law requires that someone see a judge in state Supreme Court, in criminal court, in Manhattan, in the Bronx, in Brooklyn, within 24 hours of being arrested. There are three important components of a criminal arraignment that I want you to be aware of and I want you to evaluate. Number one is most people are told by the police that arrest them, don't worry, you don't need to hire an attorney. There'll be a legal aid attorney or public defender at court. It is absolutely, unequivocally, crucially important that you hire a private attorney, if you can afford a private attorney, to represent your loved one in an arraignment. The reality is that an attorney practicing on the night shift or the day shift in criminal court as a public defender is going to represent 10, 20, 30 people in that particular shift. That person cannot possibly take the time, energy, pay the attention that needs to be done to do an effective job in an arraignment. If you hire me to do an arraignment for your loved one and take advantage of my 28 years of criminal justice experience, I'm going to 100% completely focus on that arraignment, that event, that client, and get them out of jail. So as a practical matter, step one in doing a criminal arraignment, hire an attorney. You're welcome to call me on my cell phone, 917-270-0236, to start that process. Number two, you should let your loved one know, either when you see them at the precinct or they call you from the cell in the basement of 100 Center Street or the basement of 120 Skirmahorn or the basement of the Queens Courthouse, that they are going to see a representative of the criminal justice agency sometime before they see the judge. It's going to be a social worker type with a clipboard or an electronic clipboard that takes information from them. Socioeconomic information. Where do you live? Who do you live with? Do you have children? Do you work? How far did you go in school? That information and those answers to those questions are crucial to your loved one having success in either being released from jail or being held in on bail and going to Rikers Island. Because that representative, that criminal justice agency, CJA representative, writes a report for the judge. And that report can say, this person is a risk of flight. This person has no ties to the community. You want to speak to that person in a direct manner. You want to be honest. You want to be truthful. They will not ask you about the facts of the case. But they're going to ask you, who can I call to verify your address? Who can I call to verify that you live with someone else? You want to provide that person with the information, the phone number, the address of your loved one, your wife, your husband, your child, so that your address can be verified, so your work employment can be verified, so your school can be verified. The more forthright you are with the criminal justice agency representative, the better chance you have of being released. And finally, number three, you want to hire a criminal defense attorney who understands what's important at an arraignment. The facts of the case are not important. The judge is basically going to accept the criminal complaint as what happened. This is a very, very, very early stage of the proceeding. It is not a jury trial. It's not a hearing. Attorneys who get up and argue the facts, oh, it was self-defense, oh, my client wasn't there, oh, he's innocent, are not doing their job. You want to very matter-of-factly say, as an attorney, to the judge, Your Honor, my client has no prior criminal record, he has family in court, he has tremendous ties to the community, he owns a home, he works. The issue is not, did the person commit the crime at an arraignment? The issue is he the sort of person that will return to court? I see all the time legal aid attorneys, New York County defenders, Brooklyn defenders arguing the facts. Oh, Judge, my client didn't do it. Oh, Judge, my client was justified. That's irrelevant at an arraignment. It's destructive. It annoys the judge, and it's not why you're there. The issue at an arraignment is, will they return to court at a future date to answer these charges? A skilled, effective defense attorney who was a prosecutor and now is practicing as a defense attorney is the type of individual you want arguing that for you. If you'd like me to help you, I am very skilled. I have 28 years of experience doing this, both as a prosecutor, where I was in the Brooklyn DA's office for 11 years, and now as a defense attorney for 17 years. You can reach me in the office directly at 212-925-5901, or as I mentioned, because arraignments often happen at night or on the weekend, my cell phone number is 917-270-0236. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking to you.